There are monitors that give you more space, and then there are monitors that completely change how you use your desk. This one clearly falls into the second category. The first thing that stands out is how expansive the display feels. A 40-inch ultrawide panel isn't just about size, it's about how that space is used. Instead of separating your workflow across multiple screens, everything exists in one continuous view. It feels more natural, more fluid, and honestly a lot more efficient. Once it powers on, the resolution immediately becomes the highlight. This is a 5K 2K display, and that level of detail is noticeable right away. Text appears incredibly crisp, fine details stand out, and you get a huge amount of usable screen real estate without sacrificing clarity. It's the kind of sharpness that makes smaller displays feel outdated once you've experienced it. For productivity, this setup is a major upgrade. You can run multiple applications side by side without feeling like anything is squeezed. Large spreadsheets, editing timelines, browser tabs, all of it fits comfortably on screen. It's essentially replacing a dual or even triple monitor setup, but without the visual breaks that usually come with multiple displays. Color accuracy is handled really well here. Instead of pushing exaggerated colors, the display focuses on delivering a balanced and realistic image. This is especially useful for creative work where accuracy matters, but it also benefits everyday use by making everything look more refined and consistent. Another detail that makes a difference over time is the curve. It's subtle, not overly aggressive, but just enough to bring the edges of the display closer into view. That slight curve reduces the need to constantly move your head, which makes long working hours more comfortable. It's one of those features that quietly improves the overall experience. The design stays true to a clean and professional look. Thin bezels, a minimal aesthetic, and a finish that blends easily into modern setups. It doesn't try to be flashy, and that's exactly why it works so well in both home and office environments. The stand is sturdy and offers practical adjustments. Height and tilt can be customized to suit your setup, which is important for maintaining a comfortable posture throughout the day. Small ergonomic improvements like this can have a big impact over time. Connectivity is where things get even more convenient. With a single cable, you can connect a laptop and handle power, display output, and data transfer all at once. That means fewer cables, less clutter, and a cleaner desk overall. It simplifies the entire setup process in a way that feels modern and efficient. Beyond productivity, it also performs well for entertainment. The ultra-wide format makes watching videos and movies more immersive. The extra width adds a cinematic feel that standard displays just don't offer. It's not the primary purpose, but it's definitely a bonus. Of course, this type of monitor isn't designed for everyone. It's clearly built for users who spend a lot of time at their desk and need a display that can keep up with demanding workflows. For casual use, it might be more than necessary. But for professionals and creators, it can be a significant upgrade. At its core, this is about improving how you work. It's not just a bigger screen, it's a more capable and efficient environment. Once you adapt to this level of space and clarity, it becomes difficult to go back to anything smaller. If you're considering upgrading your setup, you'll find the link in the description.